Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys a quick little tutorial on this eye look right here. And yeah, I love the colors. I did it more like summery, springy type theme. This look would be appropriate for any type of event in which you would like to have like bright, colorful eyes. I did do 2 lip options just because not everybody is gonna want a bright fuchsia color. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this look. I really hope you enjoy it. And without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start by applying this color on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take this fuchsia color from the BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I'm taking this fuchsia color and just putting it all over my eyelid. Making sure I really blend that. Emily, stop! She decides to do this while I'm freaking filming my voiceover. Okay, now I'm taking this purple color and I'm going to apply it right on my crease and blend it very well with the pink. Now I'm taking this darker purple and I'm going to apply that really deep inside my crease. I'm not blending it up very much, just trying to keep it very tight in there. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and I'm going to halfway cut my crease. Just makes everything look cleaner when you apply your eyelid color. Then I'm going to take this turquoise shade and apply that all over my eyelid. And just taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend the purple and the turquoise on the edges. And then taking my glitter and glitter glue by NYX Cosmetics, I'm going to outline the inner part of my cut crease. Just creating this beautiful look right here. I love how this looks. Now for eyeliner, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I did do the rest of my face makeup off camera. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply the dark purple in my lower lash line. And then apply the pink color over that and blend that. Now for inner highlight, I'm using the same shade that I use on my brow bone. I am going to do 2 lip options. This is lip option number 1. I wanted to do a more neutral lip color. That way, for those of you who don't like a very bright lipstick, can definitely pull this look off. The main focus will be just the eyes. for lip option number 2, I decided to do something more bright and pink. So that was it for this makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I really love how this look turned out. I'm definitely going to be rocking it. I really hope you enjoyed it and you put it to good use. If you do decide to recreate it, please share it with me either through my Snapchat, which is at LIVMakeup, or tag me on my Instagram, which is at @liv_makeup. I would love to see your recreations of this look. Don't forget to also thumbs up this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll be seeing you on my next video. Okay guys, take care. Bye.